Let's learn how to make painted Peep stamps. The materials you need are white paper, some adorable Easter peeps in the bunny shape, Sharpie or black markers, craft paint of any kind in any color. Our key concept is pattern, a principle of design. Artists use patterns as decorations, as a technique of composition, or as an entire piece of artwork. There are two basic types of pattern in art: natural pattern and man-made pattern. Both natural and man-made patterns can be regular or irregular, organic or geometric, structural or decorative, positive or negative, and repeating or random. There are simple patterns and complex patterns, so to the right you can see an example of both. We will be focused on repeating and random simple patterns in this video. Your I can statement is I can use Peeps to paint stamped bunnies in a simple, repeated, or random pattern. I will show you how to do both. To begin, grab your Peeps and whatever color craft paints you want, as well as your white piece of paper. You are going to pull apart your Peeps to make them a stamp, which is a form of printmaking, and pour your paint on a piece of paper next to it or a paper plate and begin dipping your Peep in that paint. Make sure you cover all of the back side or the bottom. You like to dab a little of the paint off so that it's not super gooey and squishing out the sides. So you're going to start by creating a simple repeated pattern. So I will just alternate colors, making sure I use a different Peep for each different color. Next, I'm going to press down firmly but not too hard with my pink, and now I'll alternate doing purple, pink, purple, pink, purple, pink. That is creating what we call an A-B pattern that goes A-B, A-B, or a repeating simple pattern. Next, I'm going to do a very similar pattern, but doing an AAB, AAB, meaning two pinks and then a purple. You can practice with whatever kind of patterns you would like. In this next part of the video, my daughter helps me show you guys what a random pattern looks like. So we are going to place our bunnies all around the paper in no particular order, just using different colors as we go and filling up the page. Once our Peeps have dried, you can use a Sharpie or black marker and go back in and give it two circle eyes and a little circle nose. You can also give it two big rainbow curved lines for its ears, two curved lines for the head, and one big U shape for the body of your Peep. And now you have created two very different pictures using pattern. Well done, artists. I hope you enjoyed this printmaking pattern lesson with some fun Easter peeps.